a little off today.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to SNS TV.
SNS TV.
Yeah, dig. I'm Steve.
Serena.
And we be back here with another challenge video. And today we're going to be doing...
Nominated by
we got
Will&Jae.
called out by
Yeah.
my brother and sis. You feel me? They called us out on this soda challenge saying we can't drink the whole thing without burping.
I don't think I could do it.
First of all, I don't even drink soda, so y'all did wrong for this video. But I'm going to do it for y'all, you feel me?
Yes.
And for our subscribers. Shout out to Al 500.
Yes, 500 plus. We're almost at 6. So make sure you guys like this video, thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. Leave us some good comments and follow us on our social media. By the way, we are going to put Will&Jae's
link in the
description down below.
Make sure you go subscribe to my brother's channel, Will&Jae.
So today we have 2 sodas, the Mountain Dew and Sprite. Ugh.
So basically, we got to drink. See how much we can drink without burping? Oh man.
We already starting up, y'all. Let it out now.
I'm already burping and I ain't even drink.
Oh, I'm not ready. I know that acid is just gonna. Ugh.
I don't drink soda though, but I think this good. I think Mountain Dew.
And the Sprite is cold, so it's just.
And it matched what I got on.
You did that on purpose.
I really didn't.
Oh gosh.
But yeah. They called us out on this video, so you feel me? We accepting all challenges because we SNS, you feel me?
Yes.
No losses, all W's over here, you feel me?
Yes, yes.
But you must know, since y'all called us out on something, we will.
We coming back for y'all. We is coming.
Y'all gotta do it. You feel me? You gotta do it. Just like, my bad, you feel me? We took a long time doing this video.
Yeah, we've been working, y'all. We've been working.
Shout out to the other people y'all got to do it. Y'all called out. I just watched one of the dudes.
That little fizziness. Oh, look at the bubbles. Oh, no. So do we gotta like drink it fast?
I don't know. I ain't drinking this fast. I gotta take a little taste first. You feel me? I really don't drink soda.
The crispness. Oh, God.
I'm like 6-7 months in strong. That's good though. I ain't gonna lie. What?
Nothing.
That's hitting. You feel me? I'm ready to go way 40 it.
Oh no. Oh my God. I can't do it. I'm scared.
Without burping though? Gosh. What if I hold it in? I can hold the burp in though, right?
Only thing is, the Sprite, it just makes you want to burp.
Alright, let's try not to think about it. Maybe if I don't think about burping, I'll be good.
My hair is just...
Y'all petty for this. And I seen y'all too, you feel me? She lost. She burped first.
Oh my gosh.
And y'all got to about right here, quarter bottle.
Nuh-uh, she said we'll burp first. In the middle of it. She was like, you burp.
Nah, she burped first. I thought she burped first.
I'm not getting anywhere back.
Stop playing. Oh snap.
I gotta pace myself. I can't be drinking. I don't drink soda like this. That stuff's hitting hard at the chest and my stomach. I hope this don't give me the poops.
Oh man. You just ready to get our day started. And this how we starting it off. So we ain't eat breakfast yet, did we?
I did. You didn't.
Really? So you...
Oh.
So where was I at when you was eating breakfast?
I had potato salad. I didn't make no breakfast.
this is crazy. My stomach hurt.
I don't think I can finish. I don't even think I can make it halfway. I already
Without
burped.
burp?
I already burped. I just
You
did.
indigested it or you like?
It was a light little one, but.
So you cheated or? Wow! Like in my face type. That's crazy.
I'm sorry.
Are you?
I can't drink no more.
Are you in burp? You burp? Like baby type. Oh, he already throw up. Check this out. I'm gonna straight. I got an hour. Another one.
No, I'm laughing so much I can't drink any more soda.
Yeah, I'm a G, so I seen y'all drinking.
I'm tapping out.
Y'all drinking to right here, right?
Challenge over for me. I can't. Oh my god, that burp was horrible. I think I'm gonna cry.
Dang.
You ain't burped yet. You got it. Bet you if you would have been drinking this Sprite, it would have been a lot worse. Look at all them bubbles. Just sitting here, it's just bubbling. That's how.
Bubbly.
This and ginger ale is probably what really makes you burp. That's why.
So you lost. She lost.
I lost. That burp was horrible.
Right along with her, right? She lost and you lost.
You saying she lost, but I don't think she lost. I think we gotta rewatch the video because I don't think she lost.
She let out a little bit herb and then he came.
It went up my nose.
Strong one.
I can't. Oh my god, it went up my nose. I heard it.
You heard that?
I heard it.
Oh man, I think we lost. Man.
Yeah, we lost. Oh my god, we tried. I barely got through anything. This stuff, all this. Oh, it's
that
too
was
much.
a little burp though. Y'all was coming strong. I think we won for real. If I keep going.
My burp was horrible.
Ain't gonna lie, my stomach hurt, man. That's petty. Why would y'all do that?
Y'all done ruined our day with this challenge.
I don't drink soda. My stomach. Oh.
You're gonna have to poops.
I'm a poop soda.
It's gonna give you the runs.
Y'all trying to give me sugar diabetes saying drinking this soda, man.
Oh gosh. But anyway, so
Hold up.
what is you doing?
You gotta show how much you drunk.
I don't have to. You
That's
can
how
see
they did.
mine.
That's petty. You sure this ain't a 3 liter?
No, that's a 2 liter, baby.
No, I say 2.1.
No, that's a 2 and an L. That's lying to people. Say 2.1.
Jeez.
I didn't get nowhere.
It look like I didn't get nowhere either.
Like mine isn't even at that little indent when the bottle goes down. Like that's sad.
Like look at that. Whoa. Excuse me.
I think.
I'm sorry, y'all. Excuse me. I didn't mean. You feel me?
Oh my gosh. I'm done. I can't.
Here we go.
No more. Oh.
I ain't gonna lie,
guys.
yo.
Go ahead.
Y'all ruined my stomach with this one. We didn't eat I didn't eat breakfast, and I'm starting it off with soda for you guys with this challenge video. I'm sorry this was a fail. We lost.
Yeah.
But
we take one for the team. It's alright.
But be on the lookout for what we call you guys out on.
Yep, because we got a whole lot of challenges in mind. But so since we did lose, we're gonna conclude this video. Right? We done with this one?
Yeah, we done. I think
we done. We tried, but it's not our cup of tea.
It's not my soda either. Like,
but
you probably gonna drink this?
I don't like the Code Red. I like regular Mountain Dew.
Somebody gonna drink it. Maybe I'll come to y'all house and spray it all on y'all couch since.
Then you shaking it up, ain't nobody gonna drink it.
Since y'all sit here and did this to my stomach. Well, anyway, see you guys in the next video.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. What else? I'm tripping.
Comment, share, turn on post notifications on.
And follow us on our social media.
And the video come out. Like I said. I don't know how many we gonna have, but just stay on the lookout so you can know how many we gonna have.
I don't want to
You feel me? Let us know what y'all want to see next. And peace!